welcome back to Kirk Kooks and welcome back to Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle Pizza Wednesday. This week's pizza is a bit of a strange one because it wasn't actually a pizza in the show, but it's a suggestion from Michelangelo about a pizza, so I wanted to make it, so we're including it. So this pizza is from Season 2, Episode 11, Teenagers from Dimension X. And in the episode, the turtles are in the blimp, they're flying around, they crash land into a fruit store and they get covered in fruit. Michelangelo's got like all fruit sauce or like all over his face, and he licks it and he says it'll make a really nice pizza sauce. So it's essentially, he's saying that a load of mashed up blended fruit would be a good pizza sauce. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to take a tin of fruit salad, we're going to blend it up into a sauce, we're going to use that as our pizza sauce and just put a bit of cheese on top of it, and we'll test Michelangelo's theory of whether it does make a good pizza sauce. I'm very doubtful, to be honest with you. So yeah, it's going to be a bit like having a fruit smoothie as a pizza sauce. So let's test his theory and see if it works. Okay, so the first thing we need to do with this pizza is take a tin of fruit salad, put it into a tub, and we're just going to blend that up into a sauce. Yeah, one fruit salad sauce. Then we're going to take a ladle and we're going to ladle that sauce all over the pizza, just as you would a pizza sauce. Doesn't that look delicious? Nice yellowy, orangey coloured pasty sauce. It smells alright, it actually smells pretty good, but I'm not sure how it's going to taste. So then we need to cover that in mozzarella, and that's it. It's just a fruit salad sauce pizza, bit of cheese on top, and that is it. We're now going to get ready to cook this. We're going to take it outside, we're going to get it in the wood burning Alti pizza oven. Okay, so this is our fruit salad sauce pizza. Not sure what this one's going to taste like. Get it in. Right, so I think we can call that fruit salad sauce pizza done. I've not got high hopes for this one. It actually looks a lot like a white pie. So that's got some sort of weird ass fruit salad sauce underneath it. So it's going to taste nothing like a white pie, but we'll see. Fruit salad sauce.
What do you mean? I was getting my hands in the cream.
So while Jace cuts this, what we'll do is we'll play the clip down here.
Well, this is another fine mess you've gotten us into.
But on the bright side,
So as you can see, this wasn't
it
actually
wouldn't make a
pizza.
bad pizza sauce.
This was Michelangelo and Raphael crashed into a fruit stall. Michelangelo was covered in fruit sauce and he said it'll make a good pizza sauce. So we're testing that theory today. This is a fruit salad pizza sauce pizza.
Whoa.
It literally smells like
Whoa. The whole top came off.
it smelled like a smoothie when I was making it.
I'm not sure about this.
Cheese and fruit.
It's alright.
But
There was a lot of pineapple in the sauce.
Yeah.
I'm not even getting that much of a flavour from the sauce.
I'm not getting anything.
It's just a slime texture. It's a
I
bit.
don't even think the cheese actually tastes about.
I can literally-
counteracts in it.
You know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of, you know, when you get a garlic bread from the takeaway, except it's that exact same texture and everything, like the sauce and that to give it that same texture, but it hasn't got the garlic flavour to it.
And they put fruit on instead.
I can't taste the fruit, can you?
Yeah,
No, not really.
No. The cheese is in it, but I can taste it. It's got fruit.
Oh, I just got.
A big chunk
I
of
nearly dropped my fucking tooth. You fucking seed or something in that. I hope that isn't part of my tooth.
Just remember, folks, if you're going to make your own fruit salad sauce, make sure you take the seeds out.
Well, it was a tin. I thought it'd be.
Yeah. Always decent.
Yeah, to me it just tastes like a garlic bread, to be honest, just without the garlic. I'm not really. There's a very, very slight sweetness in the background from the fruit.
I'm a little bit disappointed with it.
I think you should have maybe put a full tin of fruit salad on the top as well.
See, I was thinking about that, but because it wasn't a proper pizza in the show and it was just a pizza sauce, And he said it would make a nice pizza sauce. I thought, well, just use it as a cheese and tomato pizza, but use that as a sauce. But yeah, maybe if you'd have put some fruit on top of it too. I mean, don't get me wrong, it wasn't, like I say, it wasn't terrible.
Yeah, it's fine, but
It just tasted to me like a
the fruit's lost.
Again, it's just like a cheese pizza again.
white pie, but not with. It's just mozzarella, and mozzarella's not really a very strong flavour in cheese, is it?
It's not fruity enough.
Not like you, mate. You like fruity things, don't you?
Fruit tellers, that's what you should have put on there.
Yeah, so a bit bland, really. Yeah, but oatmeal was a bit bland as well. It's quite similar to it had a better texture than the oatmeal one did. Like I say, that really reminded me of a garlic bread from a takeaway. It's about the garlic. Yeah, it's not terrible. It's a bit like you say, I was expecting a bit of a flavour from it. Dog's just knocked the camera off her.
Yeah, I was expecting more of a fruity flavour, but it was.
I'll tell you what, that seeds ate my too. Nice.
As we all go to the A&E.
Catch you next time. Once again, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Pizza Wednesday.
Jelly bean and sausage pizzas.
Strawberry surprise pizza with anchovy sauce.
Peanut butter and clams. Anchovies and bananas.